one of Africa's most endangered raptors.
There's nothing quite like the rush of seeing a Lammergeier or the bearded vulture swoop past you. This was Alex's instant reaction when he first saw the Lammergeier. Grab the camera and run.
Our day began with a walk to the Lammergeier hide, a purpose-built viewing point where conservation meets tourism.
But before we take you into the hide, let's rewind to our arrival at Giant's Castle, where the adventure truly began. One of the most important strongholds, this rare and critically endangered vulture.
We're here at Giant's Castle. Really the story is that the baboon got into the hut and took all the coffees and stuff.
The welcoming committee was not the park rangers.
You're looking at the Devil's Tooth out there in the distance. I'll try to zoom in. There we go, Devil's Tooth. Oh, it's absolutely magnificent.
It's 3 a.m. and we're loading the car with some rather unusual bones. They aren't leftovers from last night's dinner. They're part of a carefully managed feeding program to support the Lammergeier.
Where are we going now?
We are going to be going up the mountain to the Giant's Castle bird hide, the Lammergeier bird hide, in an attempt to get the Lammergeier or the bearded vulture. We're up early, still dark outside. It is starting with dawn, and we got the bones, we got the keys, it's booked. We're ready, we're dressed, we're warm.
Now we just got to get there.
We just got to get there, sit there, wait for the bearded vulture and tick him off.
Right.
In the road, son in the road.
It's a jackal. Jackal.
They know it's a dinner bell. They hear because they hear us. They're not stupid.
They think we're sheep or something.
Every time a vehicle comes up here, Andrea, they only come up here with bones.
It brings
So
food.
these jackals. No, there's not something at all.
The road up. The route. Only 4x4s could make it up there.
Here at the Vulture hide now. Pretty intense 4x4 trek to the top of the mountain, which was way more precarious than I imagined, but we're here. We are very hopeful that our bearded vulture will make a flyby. There's our trusty 4x4 that's gotten us up the hill. Let's see how we go.
Halfway up there, we got ambushed by the Black-Backed Jackals, who clearly knew it was feeding time. These bold little thieves. They grabbed the bones before we could even put them out.
There's quite a lot of bones, so the question is now, do we
Spread them. Why on earth would you want to put it far away so you can't see?
Because the best shot would be to get the vulture to land, and if it's too close he won't land. Does it make sense? So flying past would be acceptable, landing would be the ultimate. Now he's not going to land if he's uncomfortable. Does it make sense? So I say bring these bones together.
Al's in charge of the bones.
Okay, we've just put the bones out. Jay's just realigning them to her satisfaction. This is our valley. Here in the Drakensberg, Giant's Castle. Bushman's River below. Beautiful, beautiful sound of it. Here's the hide in front of me. The Lammergeier Bearded Vulture hide. Light's just starting to come through now. I can't wait to see if we'll be lucky enough.
These jackals have become masters of hide and seek, snatching bones the moment we turned our backs. Their boldness adds a bit of comedy to the serious business of vulture conservation.
He's still one of Al's bones. He's horrified. There he is. So cute.
Look at this, look at the nerve of this guy. He look at him. He just wants to come and get our bones. And I am saying to him that The bones are here for the Lammergeier. But I mean, he's a jackal, which means that he's wily. He's wily. But he is going to steal our bones and is busy stealing our bones. And we had them, as we came up the ridge, they were following us because they know that the vehicle equals dinner bell.
He's beautiful.
And yeah, now we got this problem. And he is not in the slightest scared of us. He knows where the bones are, and he's coming to ask, I want to come fetch my bone, and that's that. But he doesn't know who we are. Never get close to a jackal.
No, this one.
Come right here. Come right here. Give him the bone. Actually, one small bone from the car and give it to him. We're not going to win this battle, I'm telling you.
No.
I mean, we've got this much nerve.
Well, you'll steal it from underneath the lion.
You're so bloody right.
No, he's not scared of me. No, you don't want him to get used to you too much.
Yeah, good point. We'll stand right here. Here's your bone. I think he knows we've made peace with him. And we'll keep him content and away from our big bones while he eats our little bones. We're going to go into the hide now and see what comes past.
Once the bones were set, we retreated back into the hide to wait. And wait.
Our jackal is back. And he is still continuing to steal our bones, which is most frustrating. But we are here for the animals. We have a beautiful white-necked raven also eating away. We want a bearded vulture. Look at this guy, he's just relentless. All our big bones he's taking. It's just too upsetting. What? Liz! Where's the eye? Don't look at the photo, he's gonna come back. I know he's gonna come back. You might let him see the land.
Hours passed. We were so on the edge, waiting and waiting patiently, just for the bird to land. I had to have a very serious chat with these boys because they just couldn't be quiet. I had told them, you've got to be completely silent in the hope of this bird landing. You can't whisper, you don't even breathe, don't move, nothing. The bird picks up every movement and every sound. You have to be dead silent. Otherwise, it's not going to land. Eventually, I got the guys to be quiet. Shame, they were so excited. They really were super, super amped. Every time the bird made its appearance, the guys got really excited, and I was like, come on guys, calm, you've got to be quiet. They couldn't contain themselves. Eventually it was like, guys, this ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You have to be dead silent. And it worked.
Then magic. The Lammergeier appeared, known as the bone breaker. It's the only bird in the world that feeds almost entirely on bones, dropping them from the sky to crack them open. To see one land, not once but twice, was a rare gift. We watched in awe as it spread its wings, nearly 3 meters across, and lifted into the sky again.
I'll leave Andrea. I'll leave Andrea.
Fewer than 300 breeding pairs remain, and this is the last stronghold in southern Africa.
Soon after all the excitement, we were also very fortunate to see a beautiful Cape Griffon vulture soar past us. And a jackal buzzard swooped in for a quick snack. What a beauty. These vulture restaurants help a whole community of scavengers to survive here. By visiting Giant's Castle, you're helping to ensure that these incredible birds have a future.
As we left, driving down the breathtaking Drakensberg valleys, with Giant's Castle standing proud in the distance, a herd of eland grazed in the hillsides. A reminder that this is not just a place for birds, but a sanctuary for many species.
Giant's Castle is one of the very few places where you can witness the Lammergeier up close while supporting conservation. If you love wildlife and photography, or simply just love the raw beauty of nature, put this on your list of places to visit.
Giant's Castle. Come for the dramatic landscapes. Stay for the vultures.